Real chickens. Are fowl, as the Bible said. Growing up, this is what we used to eat. Late 70s, early 80s in Jamaica. This was the only chicken we knew. This was the only chicken we know. So this is the owner chicken. They follow him anywhere he go. They follow him. I remember when chicken parts come in the early 90s in Jamaica. People was cautious by it. Cause some people was asking, where's the rest of chicken? But growing up as a child in the 80s, late 70s, entire 80s, that was all the chicken we know, black people know. See chicken following the man? Yeah, they gone. Yeah, growing up in that time in Jamaica, as I said, I remember when chicken parts came. A lot of Jamaicans was cautious about chicken parts in terms of Jamaican people then in the 90s was asking, where's the rest of chicken? Then now the whole world just stop raise local fowl. Because the Bible tells us these are the fowl thou shalt eat. Now it's a big contemplation. Is chicken unclean? Is chicken clean? Listen, man. Those white chicken is made in a lab, man. So it's not even no debate. So when you try the Asian part, that's when you tend to understand that it's a difference between fowl and chicken. Because why all those so-called chicken the white man created is white. All the sheep is white. I remember I went up to Long Island to a zoo. When I went up to the zoo, I said deer, they were white. And I asked them, I said, are these clowns? They said yes. So they have white deers out there too. Yeah, it's just the white man want to make everything so-called white. Because he himself not white. So just look into it, brothers. I remember back then, like Monday morning like this, Sunday, grandmother used to cook 2 roosters. Catch them early Sunday morning, put them under the basket. Then we used to get a kerosene pan, boil the water in the kerosene pan, cut the chicken head off, put it back under the basket because the chicken flatter. That's what black people call it. Lick you like a fowl, make you flatter. Okay, then cut the chicken head off, the chicken will jump all over the place without a head. You put it under the basket and you put it there. Then you put it in the kerosene pan, took off the feather and everything. That was Sunday dinner, but one thing, it takes long to cook. But whenever I finish cook and you eat it, the bone, if they leave it overnight, the bone stick in the plate, man, how juicy it was. You understand me? I remember a couple of years ago, I went back to Jamaica. It was my daughter, mother family, and I go there and they cook fowl. And I said, what is this? This don't taste like chicken. And I remember my daughter, grandfather said, this is chicken. Whatever you're eating is not chicken. Yeah, you just have a sweet, nice taste. You see how when you curry that bad boy, you smell that miles away, man. So a lot of you people never eat the real chicken yet, which is fowl. You understand me? But try it one day, man. But make sure anybody who cooking it cooking it properly for you. And yeah, but first, I even give the shout out to the Most High. Give all praises and honor and glory to the omnipotent power, man. Power of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. About to do the morning walk. See the chickens, but look at this. This is a papaya tree. Just by the roadside. Full. Loaded. I'm watching it, the birds watching it, other animals watching it. So we are all watching it as the first one turn. So shalom, shalom.